For many, the road to a career starts with a mountain of student loans before they've even earned their first dollar. This seal belongs to the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, who offer a path where you are an employee from day one. It flips the standard financial model of education. Instead of paying a university for the right to learn, you are paid to build your own future. The foundation of this career is 8,000 hours of paid training on commercial and industrial job sites. Alongside that fieldwork, you'll complete 900 hours of classroom study to master the complex theories behind electrical work. Because you are doing real work, you receive a paycheck for every hour on the job, with guaranteed raises and 100% paid health insurance. And since the training itself is tuition-free, you aren't digging a financial hole to get there. Because the union invests so much in your training and benefits, they receive far more applications than they have seats for. Getting selected requires a specific, structured process that tests your discipline before you ever pick up a tool. Step 1 is meeting the basic qualifications. You must be at least 18 years old when you are selected, hold a high school diploma or GED, have a valid driver's license, and pass a physical and drug screening. You also need an algebra credit. This diagram shows 2 ways to get it, either by providing a transcript showing a passing grade or completing an approved online course if your grades don't meet the requirement. These aren't just hurdles, they are safety and logic checks to ensure you have the baseline skills needed to stay safe on hazardous job sites. When you are ready to apply, you'll need to find your regional training center. In this area, that means centers in Kansas City, Wichita, or Topeka. You'll often see these centers referred to as a JATC. That simply stands for Joint Apprenticeship and Training Committee, the local body that manages the program. You'll pay a small, non-refundable application fee, usually around $25, and then you have a strict window, sometimes as short as 20 days, to turn in all your official documents. If you miss that deadline by even a day, you are disqualified. The committee uses this as your first test of organizational skills. After your paperwork is approved, Step 3 is the Aptitude test. This is a computer-based exam that covers the fundamentals of the trade. This dashboard shows the 2 timed sections, reading comprehension and algebra. As the warning icon shows, calculators are prohibited. You'll receive a score between 1 and 9 and must earn at least a 4 to move forward. Doing algebra by hand is a challenge for most of us. That's why our sponsor, electriciantutor.com, provides practice tests that mirror the real exam to help you get comfortable with the math before test day. This test ensures the union's training resources are only spent on those who have the problem-solving skills to succeed in the field. Passing the test is a major milestone, but it doesn't guarantee a job yet. It earns you an interview with the selection committee. This animation shows how it works. The score from your interview directly dictates your rank on a master selection list. As local jobs open up, the training center hires the next person at the very top of that ranked list. Because hiring is based strictly on your performance in the interview and the test, your own merit determines when you start your first paid day. This image captures the ultimate goal, becoming a fully trained professional electrician. It's a title that carries respect and long-term security. Kansas is currently investing $13 million a year to support these programs, creating more opportunities for new workers as the state's economy grows. To start, search for your local Kansas JATC to find their application dates, and use the link in the description for electriciantutor.com to begin preparing for the test. A college degree often guarantees debt. This path guarantees a career, provided you are willing to do the work to build it.